There is an infinite amount of cash at the Federal Reserve.
Good morning, Bitcoin. Today is Wednesday, January 20th, 2021. My name is Thomas Hunt, and here's what's happening today in Bitcoin. Janet Yellen suggests curtailing cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, saying they are mainly used for illegal financing. Bitcoin slides below $35,000 as cryptomania loses momentum. Bitcoin falls 5% despite continued accumulation by investors. But first, the price of Bitcoin is down 5.96% in the last 24 hours, with a last of 34,890, a high of 37,100, and a low of 33,303. That's $1 for 2,866 Satoshis. Volume was at 14,604 Bitcoins changing hands. The market continues to lean long, with 92% of the market heading that direction. Bitcoin dominance was at 64%, sorry. Janet Yellen suggests curtailing cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, saying they are mainly used for illegal financing. Yellen said on same thing. Let's see. Janet Yellen, President-elect Joe Biden's nominee for Treasury Secretary, suggested on Tuesday that lawmakers curtail the use of cryptocurrencies because they're used for illegal activities. It's the same thing over and over again. There has been a surge of interest in Bitcoin. Her comments suggest that the incoming Biden administration could be hostile to cryptocurrencies and ramp up regulation. Watchdogs around the world, from the European Central Bank to the UK's financial regulator, have recently expressed concerns about cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. Senator Maggie Hassan asked Yellen during her confirmation hearing on Tuesday about the dangers of terrorists using cryptocurrencies. You're absolutely right that the technologies to accomplish this change over time, and we need to make sure that our methods for dealing with these matters with terrorist financing change along with cryptocurrency, change along with changing technology. And I think we really need to examine ways we can curtail their use and make sure that money laundering, the freedom of transaction, doesn't occur through those channels. Yellen's comments echoed those of ECB President Christine Lagarde, who said last week that Bitcoin had been used for some totally reprehensible money laundering activity. Major investors have expressed similar warnings and worries. Warren Buffett said last year that Bitcoin has been used to move around a fair amount of money illegally. He said investors should go short suitcases, as criminals would no longer need them to carry cash. That's a good one. Bitcoin slides below $35,000 as cryptomania loses momentum. Many professional investors view Bitcoin as a crowded trade. The market has been gripped by volatility after surpassing $40,000. The Bitcoin fever is starting to break as worries about a market bubble that we talk about every day discourages investors from buying in. It's almost a self-fulfilling prophecy. Prices for the largest cryptocurrency ever dipped as much as 8.4% on Wednesday and traded below $34,000 a coin. Ever since the market shot through all-time highs in early January, Bitcoin has been beset by volatility and skepticism that the run-up has been excessive. Analysts have pointed to $40,000 as the key level that Bitcoin needs to surpass in order to draw fresh money from investors riding cryptocurrency momentum. They argue that recent gains could prove fleeting if the rally stalls and traders looking for quick returns shift their money elsewhere. Bitcoin falls 5% despite continued accumulation by investors. Investors continuing to buy Bitcoin didn't stop the top cryptocurrency by market value from slipping by over $2,600 on Wednesday. Bitcoin fell from $36,000 to $34,000 this morning and was last seen changing hands near $34,300, representing a 5% drop on the day. The price drop comes a day after U.S. Treasury Secretary nominee Janet Yellen said the same thing over and over again. Bitcoin miners' stocks hammered as crypto prices skid lower Wednesday. So the stocks of miners and people that make things for cryptocurrency are tied to the price of cryptocurrency. Shocking. Bitcoin has now replaced tech stocks as the most crowded trade, according to a B of A fund manager survey. Chilly this winter? Cozy up to the computer that's mining Bitcoin. Video gamers and cryptocurrency miners find their souped-up machines make dandy warmers for rooms, greenhouses, and even chicken coops. How about that? Chicken coops. Who said Bitcoin miners were good for nothing? That's about it for this episode of Today in Bitcoin. Be sure to give us a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to the World Crypto Network. We're trying to do these shows every day, even today. And be sure to donate to our fundraiser. We're trying to raise funds to get a new laptop. We're accepting Bitcoin and Lightning. Check out one of our tutorials and try out the Lightning Network today. It's easy. It's just that easy. And of course, congratulations to President Joseph R. Biden, the 46th President of the United States. Bye-bye.